Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which can actually download any sort of TikTok reel or video directly inside your local machine. So I have just written this Python script right here. So here you just need to replace the URL of whichever video you are downloading. So let's suppose I want to download this. I just need to copy the link of this video and directly paste it. So right, if I paste this TikTok video reel or video URL, you can see we have pasted this. So as soon as you do this, let me run this Python script. So as soon as I run this Python script, you will see on the left hand side it will download this video, and you will see it is downloading it. So download 100% complete. So your video has been successfully downloaded. You will see that. So now you can play your video directly inside your local machine really easily. So you can do this with any video. So you just need to select, simply, let's suppose I want to download this one. So again, copy the address, and again you replace this video address right here in the script and simply paste it. Once again you run the script, you will see it will now once again download this one as well. You can see the speed is also tremendous, and you can do this unlimited number of time. There is no restriction of any sort of API key, or the speed is also very good, and it is actually communicating with the TikTok API in the background to actually fetch the download links. You can see the second video has also been downloaded. So let me now show you the module here. So it's a Python open source module. So if you go to their website, ytdlp, so this is a command here. Simply install this by pip. So I have already installed this module. So once you install this, let me now show you from scratch. So just create a simple app.py file, and now we just need to import this module. So we simply say import yt_dlp, and then we import the operating system module, and here we specify a variable where you need to paste whichever video you are downloading of TikTok. So simply grab the link of whichever video post you are downloading or reel, and then after that you specify the output template. So we'll be creating this folder downloaded videos, and after that slash we will put the title and the extension, and then we create this directory by operating system method make directories, and we now specify the directory which is downloaded videos. And after that, here we need to specify the options ytdlp. So here you specify all your options. So this contains all these options. So namely, we need to specify only three options. First is the actual location where you want to save the video. Then the second format is the quality of the video. So here we are specifying the best audio quality and the best video quality. And the third option is actually the extension of the video. So we are getting the MP4 video like this. And lastly, we just need to actually download this video. And now for downloading this video, we simply call yt_dlp dot youtube.dl, and here we specify all the options that we specified, and then it contains this function ydl dot download actual video URL. So this completes the script, guys. You can see very small code is there, but it's a very tremendous script. I personally tried it and it works every time. So ytdl, sorry, this needs to be ytdl options. So again, if you do the same process, you will see it will download this video. You can see the speed is very much tremendous. You can download any sort of video reel in TikTok using this method. And so I recently discovered this module, guys, last week. So that's why I decided to make this video. You can see that video has been downloaded or reel. So Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.